Well, this is Storm Hannah, the top trend across the country and the name on everyone's lips this Friday evening. An explosive deepening depression that pulled down from Newfoundland due to land in on our shores now in the next hour or so. At the moment, we now have a status red for counties Clare and into County Kerry, a status orange for counties Galway, into Limerick, across Cork, into Waterford and into Tipperary. We're looking at mean speeds about 65 to 80 kilometres per hour. Gusts in excess of 110 to 130 kilometres per hour. But as we mentioned, that status red now in place for County Clare and into County Kerry. And what does it take to get to this point? Well, according to Met Éireann, we need mean speeds of 80 kilometres and over, gusts in excess of 130 kilometres per hour. So right across into this evening from 6 to 8 p.m. there in County Kerry, and from 8 to 11 p.m. there in County Clare, we're looking at some violent gusts in excess of 130 to 150 kilometres per hour. So we are looking at trees down, power lines down, and of course plenty of structural damage. So please do take extra care. With that storm, we are looking at some very heavy rain too through parts of the Midlands and across the Midwest, the West, and up across northern areas. So this is how it's shaping up right across into tonight. That storm feeding up from the southwest, tracking northwards across the country, bringing with it some heavy, quite persistent rain towards the back end of the night. Coupled with that, with violent storm force winds gusting at times, as I said, up to about 140, 150 kilometres per hour off those Clare and Kerry County coastlines. Across into tomorrow morning, we're going to see a slight reprieve, back to sunny or brace, the bulk of the showers and the storm clearing northwards. And as we edge our way then into Saturday, we'll see nice sunny breaks, especially across the southern half of the country. Still a couple of showers into northern areas with those strong to gale force west to northwesterly winds. Valleys are tomorrow at 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. But all eyes really now on the next couple of hours as Storm Hannah moves in. And do remember, we do have a status red for County Clare and into County Kerry, so do stay indoors and do stay safe. That's all we have time for. Catch you again following the news at 8 p.m. right here on Virgin Media 1. Until then, slán go fóill.